Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you my skincare routine step by step. First, I actually remove my makeup with a makeup remover, or you can just wash your face, whichever you prefer. And as for me, I prefer to use a makeup remover. I don't actually have makeup on now. It's just this eyebrow tattoo I have, and of course my DIY lashes. Okay, next is I use apple cider. Yes, you heard it right, apple cider vinegar. So this is what it looks like. What I do is I grab a spoonful of the apple cider and then 2 spoonfuls of water and just mix it. I use this as a toner. You just spread it all over your face, especially in the affected areas. Me, I have a lot of shit going on my forehead, some on my cheeks, and yeah, here on the side, pretty much everywhere. Okay, everywhere I have shit. It's actually enough, but as for me, this is just me. I use my hands as well to put it on my face. Because, I don't know, I just feel it works, if that makes sense. And of course, it's a vinegar. It really doesn't smell good. Don't expect so much. Yeah. So let it sit for 20 minutes, and then after that, you can just wash it off. Okay, so I'm gonna shower now. Just so you know, I use Proactiv to cleanse my face, and then after that, I'll be back for the next steps. Alrighty, I'm back and let's start. So, the first step after washing my face is to use Proactiv toner. Next, the Proactiv 3 for the repairing lotion. I don't know if you can see. So this is a vitamin C that I use to brighten and even my skin tone. I'm actually really careful with this one because it has this baking soda feel, and look, that is how fast it works, I guess. For this one alone, it already exfoliates and removes my dead skin cells, and yeah, it kind of sting a little, but I guess that's the magic of it. That's why. So after that, I use a moisturizer. I use the Thursday Plantation T3 face cream, and it has rosehip and vitamin E already. So it's actually good for your skin. And yeah. actually difficult to film and do this at the same time because I don't have a real mirror in front of me. So I'm just relying on my front camera. And then after that, I use Sukin Blemish Control or Spot Blemish Gel or something. I don't know. I just feel that it really works. I've been using it for a month now, and yeah, I guess whatever works for you. Napagod. Okay, so the next one is the Ordinary face serum. What it does is it specializes in blemishes. Oh my gosh. Last step is the vitamin E oil. And yeah, I just spread this around my face. Especially in those areas with pigmentation. There you have it, everyone. That's my skincare routine. And yeah, I hope you learned something. It's not perfect. My skin is not perfect yet, but we're getting there. I'll see you next time.